So here you can see the patient, the man 30-year-old who is presenting with the pain in knee and ankle. So this will be the case of reactive arthritis. The patient might be having the history of 2 weeks ago having the diarrhea, and after that diagnosed with reactive arthritis. Actually, reactive arthritis happens like immune system reacts after being exposed to infection. So immune system react after having the infection like diarrhea or flu, and actually rheumatoid arthritis improve over a couple of weeks or month. And the management for the rheumatoid arthritis is actually naproxen, that is given 500 mg BD twice daily for twice daily 500 mg. And for giving this naproxen, we need to check the renal function and check that like patient is having any stomach issue or asthma, because NSAID exacerbate the asthma, causes stomach issue, reduce the mucosal secretions of the stomach, and also causes the damage to the kidney. So we need to check it out before starting the naproxen, and on the same time we will start the paracetamol regularly in this case. And if a patient present with having the pain for the 6 weeks, then it will be managed in a general practitioner GP, and otherwise it will be referred to rheumatologist. And for the reactive arthritis patient, we will do the safety netting. If you notice any severe swelling and fever, pain or trouble during passing urine, redness in your eye, pain in your eye, then come back to us immediately. And if the patient of the genital herpes come to us like having the small blisters in the genital area, we will refer that patient to gum clinic for the PCR and STI screening, sexually transmitted infection screening. And we will give the acyclovir 400 mg thrice daily for 5 days, and acyclovir will be given for 5 days. And we will advise the patient for to avoid the sexual contact until healed.